Want to secure your website with GoDaddy's SSL certificate? In this video, I'll show you how to use GoDaddy's SSL certificate to protect your website and boost its trustworthiness. First, log into your GoDaddy account and go to the My Products section. Under SSL certificates, locate the SSL certificate you purchased. If you don't have one yet, GoDaddy offers affordable SSL certificates for various needs. Once you've selected your SSL certificate, click Manage. GoDaddy will guide you through the process of configuring it for your website. If you're using a hosting plan with GoDaddy, the setup is often automatic. Next, if manual installation is required, you'll need to generate a CSR, certificate signing request. Go to your hosting control panel and find the SSL/TLS section. Here, generate a CSR for your domain. GoDaddy will use this request to issue your SSL certificate. Once your SSL certificate is issued, go back to your hosting control panel and install the certificate. It will then secure your domain and enable HTTPS, ensuring your visitors' data is encrypted. To check if it's working, go to your website and look for the padlock symbol in the browser's address bar. This indicates your site is now secure. And that's it. Your website is now protected with GoDaddy's SSL certificate, giving your visitors peace of mind. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more GoDaddy tips and website security advice.